Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So, what do we got for you today? Well, I've had some requests, a tasting of the rum that we made months back, and this is the best part. Okay, so we'll be right with you. But there is 5 things that you can really do to help this channel out. Number 1, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Number 2, hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything when we come out with some new content. Number 3, share us with your friends. Let everybody enjoy it. Number 4, if you like what you see, please give us that thumbs up. And of course, number 5, leave us a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Alright, let's get started now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to try the rum we made. And if you remember, I made a white, an aged rum on oak, and I did some spiced rum. I think somebody's been getting into that. Okay, so I'm going to try a little bit of this white. So if you remember back, and I'll put a card up here for the rum series. We used molasses and brown sugar. Okay. It has the typical rum smell to it, aroma to it. I mean, I could smell, you know, that alcohol smell. Very pleasant. It's not real harsh. It's pretty gentle. Alright, let's see what it tastes like. Like I said before, it's pretty typical of a rum taste. I mean, you can, I would say, yes, you can taste a little bit of the brown sugar or the, nah, I'm going to say that's the molasses I'm tasting. It's got that undertone of the molasses, which is typical for rum. That's one reason everybody loves it. It don't burn very much. It does have a little burn on the back side. I did proof it down to 80 proof. I think that is very, very good just either just to sip on, or hey, a rum and coke. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that, right? I love rum and coke, or any mixed drink. Okay. I'm very pleased with that. Okay. Okay, so the next thing we're going to try is our, what I'm calling our aged rum on oak. It's the same thing, 80 proof. I mean, it's a very, very pretty color. Aroma. I mean, it smells pretty much just like the white. I mean, would it be biscuity? Anyway, it's very nice aroma. Let's give it a try. Okay, well, I sure can taste the oak in that. That is very pleasant. I like that. I'll be honest with you, I like that a little bit better than the white. Wow. Yeah, I really taste the oaky taste to it. And maybe a little bit of the char. Nah, that's a little bit hard to describe. Could be just a very little hint of vanilla. It's very pleasant. I'm very pleased with that. But I think right now I like the aged rum better than the white rum. Now, But in my case, the aged rum, what I would use that for is just for sipping. The white rum is, everybody's taste is different, but for me, I'd use the white rum for mixing, and I would use this aged rum because in some ways it's like a whiskey, but I just think I would like to have this just on sipping purposes. Very good. All right, and I mean the finish on it, it's very, very smooth. You got a very little burn on the end. It almost has a creamy taste to it, which is very, very nice. Okay, all right. Now let's try that spiced rum. Okay, so this is the spiced rum. Yeah, I figure I better get this video out before this all disappears. Okay. Oh, that's different. I can really smell kind of a citrusy floral note to it. And of course spicy. Very, very, very gentle, very pleasant. Okay. Aroma is fantastic. Let's give her a try. Now, I can really taste, I mean, the thing that very hits me first is there's a little bit of cinnamon. I don't know if it's the orange peel I'm tasting, but the first thing that hits me is a very light cinnamon taste, which in my book, I love cinnamon taste. Let's see, like I said, citrusy. I don't taste the oak as much as in the this, but I would assume that's because that little bit of cinnamon is kind of overpowering the oak just a little bit. Very, very pleasant, and just as the aged rum, to me, this is just a sipping rum. I mean, yeah, you could mix it with anything you want, but for what I like is, it's just a sipper for me. It finishes nice. Like I said before, you get a little bit of a burn on the backside, and a little bit of creamy as well. Okay. All right. Well, that is our 3 rums. This is the best part of the videos when you can taste. But anyway, this is our rums. Would I make it again? Well, you know it. Yes, I would. Very, very pleasant. I like all 3. I wouldn't say I'd pick one over top the other. They're all good. All right. Okay. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next. Oh yeah. Oh, let me back up. I'll put the ingredients in the description box below. Okay. I'll put that in the description box below. So with that said, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.